Hi everyone, I'd like to thank Rafelymen for providing us with these 12-pack of baby cabinet locks. Now they come in two pieces. The first piece that goes on the actual cabinet. Okay, in this drawer we have a few scissors, knives, sharp objects that we don't want my 2 or 3-year-old getting anywhere near it. So you remove the piece of taping and you more or less measure where you're gonna put it. This is where the clip is gonna clip onto. Apply some pressure. And then you more or less measure the other piece, centered a little bit. Remove the taping and try to put it back in the same spot and apply a little bit of pressure.
Yeah.
And in you go. Nice and safe. Push it down and open the drawer. If you want to lock it in, you push it down and you slide the little clip. You're able to open it back and forth and remove the clip to once again lock it. No, David, don't touch anything in there.
You go. Okay, Mom. Here, Mom. What happened, you?
Alright, open it. Uh-oh. It's stuck. Someone can't open it. It's stuck, Debbie?
Yeah.
Okay, try to open it.
Okay.
Uh-oh. What happened? You can't open it? Open it. What happened?
Help me.
Help me?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. How are you gonna open it now?
Listen.
That one? So to get your hands on one of these 12 packs of baby cabinet locks, simply click on the link below and get them for any baby shower gift or simply to gift it to a parent with small infants. They'll thank you later.